Whoa. So welcome back to the channel, and it's finally we are 0 days out. Finally, today is the competition day, and it's 7:30 in the morning, and right now we are going to the venue of the gym, like the venue of the competition, to weigh ourselves to give our weight. Though my category is open category, like we have 93 under, then we have 93 above, 93 plus, which is an open category, so I will be playing in that. I guess my body weight right now is 107 or 110, so we will be playing in the open category. So yeah, now let's head out. Like, I will get ready now, so we have to go and give our weights. So the timing is like from 7 to 9, so it's 7 to 9 or 6 to, I don't know what time is this, but yeah, we will be now heading out to give our weight. So yeah, I'll be vlogging today's date, today's full competition, though I will be in the lifts. My friends will be taking the care of the camera. So yeah, let's head out for the wings. So yeah, we're ready, so let's head out for wings. Pretty excited. So we will be heading out right now, and let's go give our weight and come, and we will come back, we will eat, then we'll sleep again for till 12 or something, because my category is the last category and probably it will be starting in the last. So we have plenty of time today to reach the venue. So venue is like 30 minutes from my home. So yeah, let's head out. 유튜브 뭐다 레스트 देखना तो देख वीडियो में. We are finally given our body weight. It's 108. Yeah. So we are done with our wings. Now we are heading back home. So let's go back home and eat out, then sleep, then we'll again come back. So yeah guys, we are back home from weighing in our weight. We gave our weight. It was like we are in the open category, the weight is necessary to, like, it was 108 kgs. The 108 kgs is the highest I've been in my life so far. It's the heaviest weight I've been in my life so far. So yeah, and now it's 9:15. We came back home, we did our breakfast, and now since our category is the last category, I guess it's gonna start from 5 in the after evening. 5 or 4 is gonna be probably be after 4. So now it's 9:15. We're gonna sleep, and wake up at 12. Then we're gonna do our lunch, then we're gonna pack our bags and all, and we're gonna head out at 2 o'clock. So yeah, I will see you guys when I will be heading out. So yeah, so right now it's 12:30, and we are having the main meal of the day. It's chicken rice. Never goes wrong. So we're gonna have this chicken and rice, and we're gonna, let's see, like, I tried to sleep from 9 to 12, but there was no sleep in my eyes. And let's have this. Let's say if we can sleep for 1 hour or so, and we will be out from here by 2, and I will reach to my friend's house. He will take out his car from there, and we will go to the venue. So yeah, I will meet you guys directly at the venue. I just like know when I will be going out. So yeah. So yeah, we are all set. We are ready now. We took the bath. We ate. We are all refreshed now, and it's 2 o'clock. So we are ready to go out now. So though I may look sleep deprived, but I can, So yeah, it's going time now. So I'm heading out. I will see you when everyone is around. So yeah. So yeah, we are now halfway almost to our venue, and we are in the big jam. Traffic jam.
Great with jam.
And too much traffic. So yeah, I will. So yeah, I will see you guys directly below the gym.
Prayas Talukdar, followed by Moinuddin Arshad. Moinuddin Arshad. Mikma Dorsilam. Ready? Okay. Next to 37.5. Next round is next in turn Kogon Roy, 150 kg. Easy. Very good. Okay. Udan Bhattacharya. Next lifter, Sahil Ali. Next lifter. Next lifter, Abhishek Das.
लुधियान कस के up easy
pair, middle go. Middle. Right, do the.
110 अभी 115 सेकंड है आवाज से मारे आवाज है
Good ball on to
चल आराम से उठाएगा भाई वो लॉक निकाल दो ना चल आराम से उठाएगा चलो उदयन आराम से
चल इजी
आराम से मिला ले पहले
आराम में चल चल लारी इम्प्रेस कर दे चल चल रेडी गो चल जामी
इजी इजी इजी
low. Uday.
चल रेडी 1 2 3 4
आराम से अपना टाइम लेके चल आराम से टाइम लेके
Last lift after that. I'll second last. Last.
This is the second last lift for 93 and 93 plus category.
चल उद्यान टाइम लेके आराम से
Full dose. छोड़े
छोडीस भने त तँलाई म गाडीमा चढ्न छैन छोड छोड दाइ
कोई बात नहीं चल
standing on. So finally we are over with our competition and I think I won this time, second place. Let's see.
because of me.
Thanks to these guys too. Without them I couldn't have won this thing. So yeah, let's see you.
See guys,
I will see you tomorrow.
I'm wiping my
in
car
the
with my cloth.
prize distribution and let's see if I get the silver medal. I guess
Most
I have
among
one
you.
silver medal, I guess. We are finally home. It was like it's like how much what time? It's like 1:32 and we are finally home. You can see how sleepy I am. So I'm gonna go take a shower and I bought a pack of biryani while coming back from, it was like late though the shop was open on the way home, so I bought a pack of biryani for myself. I ate that. Now I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna sleep. Totally tired, totally exhausted, and tomorrow we will be going for the ceremony, prize distribution ceremony, and I will see you in the prize distribution ceremony now. Bye bye. So yeah guys, we are finally here at the prize distribution ceremony. So now we will go inside for our prize distribution. It has started. So yeah, let's go inside.
Gym with a total of 612.5 kgs of 687.5 kgs. जोर से हाथ ताली होता है हमारे चैंपियंस के लिए. Supplement sponsored by Enloop Nutrition.
I'm very grateful for the boys from helping me out from the very beginning to the very ending of the program. Without them, this victory would have been unachievable. And yeah, I should be really grateful for the support I have got from my parents, from friends, from everyone in the gym. There are still more competition yet to come and we will conquer them, and there are still many more competitions yet to come in the future. This is just the beginning, and yeah, that's it. And we are finally ending our profiles. I don't know, hardly 2 or 3 of my viewers watch my videos, that to my friends. So yeah, I'm really grateful, and yeah, that's it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.